Julie's Vegan Channel 101.
Hi. So I'm in my new kitchen. Me and Rogine moved in together, and while we're rolling on the identity crisis of a channel, I figured, why not cook something? I've never filmed one of these and edited it. I've never filmed one of these and edited it, so bear with me. Okay, so I hate eggplant. I think it's disgusting, but Rogine really likes it. So we had one that was going bad, and I was like, let me just throw it in the air fryer. So now I have cooked plain eggplant, and it looks disgusting, so we're gonna try to make something out of it. Am I gonna follow a recipe? Probably not. But I did see somewhere that had you stuff eggplant with stuff. I think it had cauliflower rice or something. I don't know, but I'm not gonna do that. I mean, I'm gonna stuff it, but I'm not gonna do what it had. But as reference, I'm gonna leave a link to the recipe that I was inspired by down below. So let's see what we can do with this. Also, we just moved here, so I have nothing, so this might be a little tough. I'm just using whatever my mom let me borrow. So I'm gonna use lentils that are already cooked, vegan mozzarella, and some tomato basil hummus. Is it gonna taste good together? I don't know. But do I care? Not really, because this is already gross. Also, Rogine's not here, so hopefully he'll get here before we have to eat it. I'm gonna start by making a sauce because I only have tomato sauce and that tastes like crap on its own. So I'm just gonna add some green garlic. How do I film this? Nailed it. And then I'm gonna add my tomato sauce. They do not make these for lefties, or apparently ones that work at all. What the heck? Wait. I bought two because I didn't like the other one. I was gonna return this, but because that one doesn't work, I don't think I can. Okay, at least this one works. It's just not as cute as the other one. But we got something happen. Oh, you should probably put some oil in the pan first because it will burn if you don't. So there's just some garlic and tomato sauce. And then I added some basil, thyme, black pepper, parsley, and salt. And I like to put a little bit of sugar in my sauce. And stir that all up. Okay. And now I'm just gonna put one clove of garlic. And then I'm gonna pop one of these in. Or should I? Yeah, why not? Okay, then I'm just gonna dump some hummus in there. I'm not an organized enough person to do this. Again, don't forget to put oil in your pan. This is just sticking already. But I'm gonna put water in it. Is that weird? I'm just gonna put half of this in. Maybe if I hold it like this, it'll film it. Okay, so I just put half the container in and stirred it up. Did that film anything? Kind of. Just gonna throw in some vegan mozzarella. That makes everything better. Yeah, this looks pretty gross. Okay, and then I added more basil, parsley, thyme, salt, pepper, and a little bit of onion powder. I mean, this really does look disgusting. Put the the oven on at 350. So, I don't really know. Should we put some sauce? Let's put some sauce at the bottom. Okay, so I'm gonna put a little bit on the bottom. Oh god. Help. Oh god. And then we're gonna take one of those, a little bit in here, and then I guess just like roll it or fold it, and then I'm gonna put it in the pan. It's like a little, like an eggplant cannoli. I was living at my boyfriend's parents' house for like a month. His mom made me eggplant, and I hate eggplant, but it was actually really good. So I figure maybe it's just that I don't know how to make it. But yeah, so let's see if I can eat it when I cook it myself. I need someone to roll up my sleeves. That's a good one. Beautiful. Okay, and then I threw some more vegan cheese on top and covered it in the rest of the sauce. God, this is so heavy. It's not like finished preheating, but that doesn't matter, right? Okay, and then we wait for it to be hot. Okay, so it's been in there for, I don't know, like 20 minutes or something. I'm gonna take it out. I was kind of hoping my boyfriend would just like magically come back home so he could try it. I mean, it looks pretty good. That goes right through these things. That was hot. I mean, it looks pretty good. I don't know, should I like make rice or something with this? I don't really know what to make with it. Or just eat it like this. It's fine. Our one lonely plate, because we don't have any plates, and my mom gave me 2 so that I could borrow them, but of course I broke one on the first night. Didn't tell her yet. Sorry, Mom, if you're watching this, I'll buy you a new one. Let's find out. Oh my god, that's so hot. Oh, I just burnt myself. See, this is why I can't do this. I'm just gonna do that. So I remember not to touch it. It's fine. Everything's fine. Okay. I was literally just saying I wish my boyfriend was coming home, but I didn't want to bother you.
What's going on here? Is this on?
Yeah.
That looks really good.
I hope it tastes good.
Hi.
It's probably hot as heck. Should we wait? Or should we just go for it?
Blow on it at least 3 times. Pray. And say amen.
Amen. Do you want to try it?
Yeah,
you're going to go first. I don't...
Great.
Is it hot as hell? I'm sorry, I don't want to hurt you. Is it too hot?
Oh, perfect.
Is it?
What?
Is it good?
Lentils, right?
Yeah.
Oh my god. So good. Sorry.
Is it?
Yeah, it's super delicious.
Amen.
So this is vegan meatballs, right?
Not at all.
Not at all? Well, that was my first taste of it.
Actually, don't taste the eggplant at all, so that makes it really good.
Eggplant there?
And then made some sauce. My hand is throbbing.
Really good.
You say that about all my cooking.
Stop.
Oh my god. Well, thanks for tuning in to another episode of my identity crisis.
Julie's Vegan Channel 101.
And I will see you next time.